For consignment at Classic Auto Mall is this two-door 1941 Special Deluxe Chevrolet Coupe that sports nice lines and full fender mounted headlights. Running boards have disappeared and are replaced by a simple flare rocker. A work in progress towards the end street rod goal with a powerful V8, automatic transmission, Mustang II suspension, and a few custom body touches. This example is what happens when you start with a beautiful design and play a bit to make it even better. French the lights on the body, shave the unnecessary bumpers and all that extra weight, smooth all the body lines, then drench the entire thing in burnt orange, and now you have an example of the 41 bow tie that looks better than when it rolled off the factory floor. Search stock number 5437 at classicautomall.com.